However, you only in this listing is only included the English panel. So if you find another Japanese panel on eBay, you may use it for Japanese character, but I won't miss it. And now I attach the table surface to it. You will get in this listing some feet, in total 11. Here is including this 10, and you find the 11. Here is the button, another automatic button thing. I never use it. I cannot show you how does it work. Again, by Bernina, Sweet Maid, and a darning hook for some darning work. I also never use it. And okay, some bowens, and this one is to change the needle. There is a screw here. It's a tiny screwdriver. The parts that can change the light bulb was decayed, so but you still can change the needle. So it fits quite well, and then you just put it back after you detach the table surface. It gives you I would like to talk about the needle down. If you deactivate the needle down, is that when you it will be up position. The needle will be up position when you stop, but if you activate it, it will always be down. This is half speed. Even if you it's really hard, it's half speed. Deactivate it, you can be faster in the full speed. And this is for the back stitch. You don't need to keep pushing it if you want a very very long one. You have to deactivate it after use. This is the manual back stitch. It's hard to show you. Okay, and then these are for the all those dishes you try it. Let's try it. If for this one, the next one, you put it once, and then it will be up position. Once it will be down, once up, and then you can see is it's a normal setting. It will be like this, but if you maybe normal setting and you want it to be longer, the pattern will like this. And it will have a different look. But if you want to, if you switch to another, it will affect another stitches as well, so you have to cancel it after use. So change back to normal. I never try with these like these the decorative stitch. So I believe this is let's press twice the cancel. This is the default stitch, but if I try to add some space, see, take a look, it will add some space between each stitch, so it won't be this dense, so it changed the density. So if you want to get back to the normal setting, you have to press twice the cancel. Other things like remembering, this is, it will, if you press twice, it will remember this stitch. This is the A because the lower one represent the red stitch. The white stitch is by pressing this one. Maybe try, and you remember this, you remember this, and then you remember the D and the V, and let's try. Okay, look, you will have A, and remember we do select these two decorative stitch, and then D and E, so it's so okay. So again, one is broken. Here you have a needle threader, but I don't use it very often. I find it very hard to use. For example, you put it on, it sometimes it don't catch, it catch here, the needle catch here, and then in the middle there is another needle. Is a needle in but it's very hard to use, so I never use it. I almost never use it. Is you put the thread, catch it in the needle, and then you push the needle inside the needle hole of the machine, and then it should push the thread out. But it's quite it works sometimes, most likely it doesn't work, so I thread it like by hand, so it's quite nice. And the table, the extension table is made of metal, so if you push it out, you have a free arm, and you can do the sleeve. It's great for garment making. Sometimes I think you will be benefit for taking it to a surface, because sometimes the tension this here won't engage. Sometimes it doesn't engage. Most of the time it's good. sometimes it doesn't engage or have too much tension or too little tension. So please take it to service. Yeah, I hope my price will give you some money, save you some money that you can go to service. It won't be that expensive, just for like lubricating the whole machine. So it's quite nice. Then cosmetically, there are some scratches or dirt on the body. I have cleaned it myself, but some fine scratch that I cannot tell you on the video or photos. We have because they are fine, quite fine to be recorded. So it's retractable. Yeah, the cord here is retractable if you press this button, and this one is also the cord is also retractable. The machine cord, if you press this cord, and if you take it out, sometimes it will just pull back. You have to pull the whole cord and lock it, that will be locked if you pull it all out. And then oops, yeah, here it is under the Riccar brand, that actually made by Bernina. Here it tells you the voltage. It runs in 60 or 50 hertz and also 90 watt. If you are going to buy a transformer to transform it to 100 volt, please make it like 500 watts, because you need at least 3 times the required watt. This is 90 watts, so for 3 times or 4 times of the watts, the current is needed will be like around 3 or 400 watts. So I recommend you to buy a 500 watt transformer.